Kubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Unong yalam ka EITC Dr. Mukul Sangma hene ka singi ulayatho ba kaseng kasya yakinong yalam bagin siyam yakaray henday habaya day bat ka election kaseng kan sa syong perkhat bat pet kumno banyat chakman uloong ru ba baro ki MLA kin sa job yang haki election lada ki seng sign perthai ki ailat bat ki ai tiket yaki nakalyang Dr. Mukul ulapan pawi ka jingso komen baru layatho ru ba ka EITC kandan khat arngot ki MLA but baro kinyo ya ke tiket banyale ya ke election kumbaka long menta buon kilong kami bat ki samla kilami syakhamat banya shim menta ha ka kamsan perthai hendrai na preng jomki kanungut ki banyo ya kalat ban mi syakhaman ulaya thoru bani kini ki sangun arngut kilapan pa kin mi no na ke AITC.
As of now we know that 224 of our friends have indicated personally to me, okay, if we are not confirmed of our ticket, then we should be allowed to explore other possibilities. Okay, this is nothing which is secret within our team. At least 224 out of 4, 2 have confirmed, 2 are yet to confirm. But as I have said, everything is guided by our priority, our focus, to go by the overall mood of the electorates, choice of the electorates, because the people's mood has to be looked at. What is the mood of the people? People's mood is that, okay, is there an alternative? People are exploring the possibility of an alternative to replace the current dispensation, the current political dispensation who are in power. That's the truth, and that is what we know. Now others may know differently. And please remember one thing, that most of the sitting MLAs, as I have said, come with heavy burden of anti-incumbency. And this heavy incumbency is more with the MLAs from the ruling dispensation. So many of these ruling dispensation, the political parties of the ruling conglomeration, probably they will also end up looking at whom to give ticket or whom not to give ticket. But if they are looking at only this, the kind of perception they want to generate by telling that, okay, all the MLAs have been their candidates, let it be their strategy. We are not going to interfere in their internal decisions of different political parties. But ours is ours, and to be more blunt, it is the reality in politics. People will always look for better alternatives, better options, and we always respect and honor the wisdom and judgment of our electorate. We allowed our friends to take a conscious decision, and we respect each other's conscious decision. But when again it comes to fighting the election, on number of counts we have, as we revisit and then do all exercise of post-mortem after the election results, what happens is that we realize that, okay, we should have decided otherwise. Or maybe we could have avoided that one. Meaning, it revolves around decision which enables a political party not to just participate in the election, not just to put up candidates for the sake of putting up candidates, but with a sincere intention to win the electoral battle. See, now why has the Grand All Party slowly lost its grip over the different regions across the nation? It is precisely because the approach was that, okay, this many people are there, this many people, okay, this is this group, everybody has to be, somehow taken care of. Let us strike a balance. Okay, it was more like not solving the problem, but deciding to please everyone. You don't fight an election with the sole intention of only pleasing the aspiring candidates and the groups associated. In every election, you will see many of our friends, the sitting MLAs, when we face electoral battle, many of our friends end up losing election. That's the reality. Not that every sitting MLAs will all come back. It is not that people are going to re-elect every sitting MLAs. So therefore, if any political party is willing to fill all the sitting MLAs, I will welcome it. I will welcome it with all the burden of anti-incumbency, whom we know are going to lose also. If they want to give ticket, I'll be very happy. Now, as far as Trinamool Congress is concerned, out of the 12 MLAs, sitting MLAs, it is not necessarily necessary that all the 4 sitting MLAs will be given ticket. Let us be clear and frank. No point beating around the bush, So we are alerting everybody well ahead in time. But what we are going to do, what is going to be our approach, sincere approach will be to utilize this political platform to enable our political party works as a team. Okay, Dr. Mukul Sangma is not the president of the party. Okay, Dr. Mukul Sangma is not the only one who is going to decide as to what we will do. We are only navigating the collective intent of the team. And I am telling you frankly that though we are together, if somebody is not going to win the election, hello, please understand that it doesn't help you nor help us. So some secrecy which you always try to maintain will never be secret in politics.